Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Are you looking forward to expand your real estate ventures? Well, look no further because Estrada Vega Capital is here. We are the leading financing and real estate investments and business development. At Estrada Vega Capital, we understand the financing is the lifeblood of any successful enterprise. That's why we have dedicated ourselves to providing you with the best funding solutions tailored for every single need. Our team of seasoned financial experts has decades of experience in the industry with a deep understanding of the unique challenges that as a business owner, we know you face. We know that every business is different, and that's why we offer flexible financing options that fit your individual needs. Whether you are looking to expand your existing business, purchase commercial real estate, invest into residential real estate, at Strata Vega Capital, we got you covered. We offer a wide range of financing options, including loans, lines of credits, and innovative funding options. We are proud to have helped countless entrepreneurs and real estate investors to achieve their dreams. Time is of the essence when it comes to financing. This is why we have streamlined our application process, ensuring that you get the funding quickly and efficiently. At Estrada Vega Capital, you can seize the opportunity as they arise without the stress of delays of traditional financing methods. Our commitment to your success goes beyond just financing. We offer personalized guidance and expert advice, empowering you to make informed decisions and maximize your results. We are not just your lender, but we are your trusted partner. So whether you are an inspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or a real estate investor, make the smart decision. Choose Strata Vega Capital and let us be your catalyst for growth and success. Contact Strata Vega Capital today and let's make your business and real estate dreams a reality.